Have you ever looked at a piece of code, maybe even something you wrote a while ago, and felt like you were trying to decipher an ancient language? We all want our code to be clean and easy to understand, but achieving that clarity can be a real challenge. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can significantly enhance your code's readability by acting as a sophisticated assistant that understands context and programming best practices. It helps clarify complex sections, suggests improvements, and even generates documentation, ultimately making your code easier for both you and others to comprehend. The core reason AI is so effective here lies in its ability to process and learn from vast amounts of existing code. Modern AI models are trained on extensive datasets of well-written, publicly available codebases. This training allows them to identify common patterns, understand syntax, and even grasp the intent behind different coding structures. When AI analyzes your code, it applies this learned knowledge to spot areas that could be clearer, suggest more descriptive variable names, refactor complex functions, or even explain dense algorithms in simpler terms. It is like having an experienced pair of eyes constantly reviewing your work, but with instantaneous feedback. To put this into practice, you can leverage AI tools in several ways. Start by using AI-powered code editors, such as GitHub Copilot or similar integrated development environment extensions, which provide real-time suggestions for variable names and function signatures as you type. Next, utilize AI for code review by feeding a problematic section into a chat-based AI tool like ChatGPT and asking for suggestions to improve clarity or simplify logic. You can also prompt AI to generate comments or documentation for complex functions that might otherwise be difficult to explain, ensuring critical insights are not lost over time. Beyond direct suggestions, AI can also help you understand unfamiliar code written by others or even older versions of your own projects. Some tools can summarize the purpose of a function or class, or even highlight potential areas of confusion. This capability is particularly useful for onboarding new team members or when inheriting legacy codebases. It is like getting a quick, personalized tutorial on demand, allowing you to focus on developing new features rather than spending hours untangling existing logic. Ultimately, integrating AI into your coding workflow transforms the often tedious task of ensuring readability into a streamlined, collaborative process. By helping you maintain cleaner code, AI reduces cognitive load, minimizes errors, and allows you to spend more time on creative problem solving and innovation rather than wrestling with convoluted syntax or poorly documented functions. It is about building a foundation of clarity that empowers faster development and more efficient teamwork for every project you undertake.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and build with us.